Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to level strength in Abiotic Factor 1.0, the full release and exiting early access version. So much like it was during the early access beta period, leveling strength just requires that you're carrying a whole bunch of stuff with like a big full inventory of items, and you walk back and forth, and as you walk back and forth, you will very quickly accumulate strength. And if you have any bonuses from the type of character that you make, you will get, more experience that way. But one thing to keep in mind is the only way that you're going to get experience is if your over-encumbrance bar is not completely maxed out. And by that I mean, you want it to either be yellow, or you want it to be a light salmon pink, but you don't want it to be all the way red. See, I've got it all the way maxed out, completely over encumbered, and now I'm receiving absolutely zero experience for walking back and forth with a full inventory. So now that I've removed a couple of things from my inventory, I've dropped some milk sacks. I am only in the pink version of the over encumbrance bar, and that is giving me I think it's the maximum amount of experience that you can get in order to quickly level strength. And leveling the strength is actually really beneficial now that you're in 1.0. They actually added on a level 20 talent to strength, not just the level 15, where all of the items in your inventory weigh 25% less, so you can carry even more garbage, so that when you're, when you're just collecting a bunch of stuff and hoarding stuff, like a pack rat, you can carry even more stuff. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to level strength updated for the 1.0 release. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.